So today I'm about to show you why your Canva designs won't export, whether it's stuck loading, failing, freezing, showing errors, or downloading blank files, and how to fix it step by step so your projects export perfectly again. By the end of this video, you'll have Canva exporting smoothly, no freezing or failed downloads, high quality files every time, zero need to rebuild designs. I'll walk you through the hidden size limits that break exports, the element types that silently crash downloads, browser issues Canva doesn't warn you about, file format mistakes most people make, and the professional workflow that prevents this forever. If you've ever stared at Canva thinking, why won't this download? Did my design just break? Do I have to redo everything? This video fixes all of it. Before we touch Canva itself, there's one quick check that fixes export problems instantly for a huge number of users. When Canva won't export it, wastes hours of design time, delays content posting, causes client issues, kills productivity, forces unnecessary redesigns. Fixing this means smooth workflow, faster publishing, reliable files, stress-free design sessions. Let's start with the fastest fix, because this alone solves many export failures. First, look at your design. If it includes lots of photos, long videos, heavy animations, multiple pages, your file may simply be too heavy. Try this. Duplicate your design, delete half the pages, export it again. If that works, size was the issue. Also watch for blurry loading elements, or something went wrong placeholders, broken videos. Remove those and retry export. If file size isn't the issue, the next fix catches a massive number of silent Canva crashes. Many people always export as PNG or MP4, but some formats break easier. Try this order. For images, PDF print into then PNG. For videos, MP4 standard into not transparent. PDF print uses Canva's strongest export engine. Once it downloads, you can convert if needed. This alone fixes tons of failed exports. Now, if Canva still freezes, the problem is usually not Canva, it's your browser. Open Canva in incognito mode or a different browser. If it works there, your cache is broken. Fix it by clearing browser cache, disabling extensions, refreshing Canva. Heavy ad blockers especially break reports. But sometimes, the issue is deeper, inside the design itself. Certain elements commonly break exports, like stock videos, audio tracks, animated stickers, transparent backgrounds, gradient overlays. Remove them one at a time. Export after each removal. When it works, you found the crash element. Then replace it with a lighter version. Now, let's fix the invisible Canva setting most people never touch. First, go to Canva, look for settings, and tap Performance. Turn off hardware acceleration, as well as advanced animations, if available. Then refresh Canva. This stabilizes large exports massively. If you work on big projects often, the next step is a game changer. Instead of exporting everything at once, download pages in chunks. Pages 1 to 5, then 6 to 10. Then merge later if needed. For video, export clips separately. Combine after. This avoids memory crashes. Professionals use this constantly. So 8 pro tips Canva export stability system. Number 1, use PDF print for tough files. Tip number 2, keep designs under 20 pages when heavy. Tip number 3, avoid stacking animations. 4, replace huge stock videos. 5, clear cache weekly. 6, export in batches. 7, keep browser updated. And lastly, disable heavy extensions. This keeps Canva fast and reliable long term. If Canva freezes, most likely it's about browser cache. If download fails, mostly for file format. If partial export, heavy elements. If blank file, broken asset. And if slow, performance settings. You now know how to fix export freezes, reduce heavy designs, choose stable formats, remove crash elements, speed up Canva, prevent future failures. Your Canva workflow should now feel smooth and reliable. Now, instead of panicking when Canva won't export, you have a full professional recovery system. These fixes don't just solve today's problem. They prevent future crashes, slowdowns, and lost design time. Now, that you've fixed the common export issues, let's move on into the problems that hit large projects, brand kits, videos, and multi-page designs. These are the fixes Canva power users rely on when nothing else works. And the next one solves export failures that look completely random. Let's start with Canva's hidden asset loading behavior. Scroll through every page slowly, click on each image, video, and graphic. This forces Canva to reload assets. Watch for blurry placeholders, spinning loaders, and missing previews. If anything doesn't fully load, that's your export breaker. Replace it. Then try exporting again. Next, let's fix Canva version history issues. First, go to File, then Version History. Restore a version from before the export problem started. Now, let's talk about theme designs and shared files. So first, click on File, then make a copy. Open the new copy, export from there. This resets background design data. Many exports errors disappear instantly. Next comes Canva's cloud syncing delays. Look for saving. In Canva's top bar, never export while it's syncing. Wait until it says all changes saved, then export. Sync conflicts often break downloads. So just a quick pro tips for project stability. Avoid editing during uploads. Let videos fully render. Keep fonts limited. Don't stack heavy effects. And save frequently. Alright, so if your Canva still refuses to export after everything so far, don't worry. These final fixes solve the rare but stubborn issues that affect complex animations, long videos, and massive brand projects. And the next one works shockingly often. Let's rebuild the design the smart way. First, create a new blank design. Manually copy backgrounds, text, images, layouts. Paste them page by page. This removes corrupted formatting layers. Then export. This is Canva's ultimate reset trick. For big video projects, export visuals as PNG first. Then build videos separately. This avoids Canva memory crashes. Professionals use this hybrid workflow constantly. Then, you can try mobile hotspot, different Wi-Fi, office network. Some firewalls block Canva's export servers. Switching networks often fixes it instantly. Then, you can try logging out of Canva, then log back in, reconnect Google, or email login. This refreshes account permissions. Many stuck export clear after relogging. Use these on every project. Export in chunks, avoid overload pages, preload assets, save versions, test formats early. At this point, you now have a complete Canva recovery and prevention system. No more frozen exports, no more rebuilding designs, no more wasted hours. You can fix almost any Canva export problems in minutes and keep your workflow smooth and going forward. If this helped you out, like the video so other creators can find it too. Subscribe for more Canva mastery, AI tools, Excel automation, Gmail workflows, and productivity systems that actually save time. And comment what tool you want me to break down next. I'll see you on the next one.